How to add subtitles in CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to easily add subtitles to your video using the CapCut app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the CapCut app on your phone. And once you're inside the app, simply tap on the new project to start editing a new video. Now go ahead and select the video that you want to add subtitles to. And here, once you have selected the video, simply tap on Add to bring it into your timeline. And now, once you have added the video to your timeline, to add subtitles, just tap on the text option at the bottom, and from there simply choose Auto Caption. And after that, you will be asked to select the language spoken in the video. Mine is English, so I will simply select the English language. And here, once you're done with that, simply tap on the generate button. And after that, CapCut will automatically create a subtitles for you. And once the caption are generated, you can tap on any one of them to customize the style. You can adjust the size, adjust the font, and tweak the look under the style tab. And any edits you make to the first subtitle will apply across the rest for consistency. And that's it. That's how you can add subtitles automatically on CapCut. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.